30, a small object is dropped through a loop of wire, and that loop of wire is connected to a sensitive ammeter on the edge of a table as shown in the diagram. A reading on the ammeter is most likely produced when the object falling through the loop of wire is what? A flashlight battery, a bar magnet, brass mass, or a plastic ruler. Okay, so we have this ammeter, so the purpose of this device is that it measures amps, right? It's an ammeter. So it measures amps or current. Amps are the units of current. So what is that really saying? We're going to drop this object through a loop of wires, and somehow that's going to cause this device to measure current flowing through the wires. So what principle is being illustrated here? What they're really testing for, what they're asking you know about induction. Induction is this idea that we can induce a current to flow through these wires by creating by the interaction between an electric field and a magnetic field. And I'm kind of giving away the answer. The best choice is actually for this problem that it be a bar magnet. Let's talk about why that is. So when a magnet goes down through this loop of wires, or just in general if you have a coil of wires and you take a magnet and push it through, that magnet has a positive and negative charge, and that magnetic field that's around it is interacting with the loops of the coil, and it's the interaction of that magnetic field from the magnet that generates an electric induction in these wires and causes current to flow through them. So the short version is that induction describes a relationship between electric and magnetic fields. So you can induce one with the other. In this case, we're inducing an electric current by using a magnetic field, and bar magnet's the best choice. A battery wouldn't do it. That's probably a tempting response, because you know a battery has, at least you could say, it has a negative side and a positive side, and you know there's a voltage across it, but it's really a problem about induction, so you need there to be a magnet. A brass mass is a conductor, so that would be the next best choice, but it wouldn't actually do anything if it wasn't magnetized. And certainly a plastic ruler made of plastic, it's an insulator, so it's not going to have any interaction electrically with what's going on. So that is not a good choice. 2 is the best.